Hey everybody, I'm so excited today because I received items from the H&M and Simone Rocha collaboration. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic evil twin items, I DIY, I compare bags and do a review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe and just hit that bell. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Let's get started. So since this is a part one, what the heck did I get? It arrived from Spain because it sold out. Let's be real. When there's a collab like this, it just sells out. So let's get started. Okay, I did get the Simone Rocha trench coat with the puff sleeves. We'll look at that later. And I also bought this cute bag. And give her a look. Here she is. Oh my god. So it's like a cute little sack bag, as you can see. And these are supposed to be crystals. Oh my goodness. Look at how cute that is. That is so adorable. And they're both sides are like that. But these are, I mean, it was ridiculous to go on the website and everything was sold out. And of course, you know, they sell them on eBay for almost double the cost. I had to deal them down. Luckily, I got some good deals. For the trench, it wasn't such a good deal. It was still high, but here it is. Both have some cute little bows on the end, and it's just one big pocket inside. Simone Rocha, and she is an Irish designer, and I believe her father was also a designer. I love fashion. Like, yeah, I do. I love bags too, but honestly, it's part of it, right? The whole style. That is just my thing forever. So that's cute. I will be like styling these. It's really adorable. It's a good like bag just to take around, and like if you're just going to the mall or just going somewhere like even the supermarket, this is a cute little bag. Going to the supermarket with this and sparkles. Yeah, I would. Okay, next up is this trench coat. That's all over Instagram if you follow fashion people. I didn't know it would get this big, but I got a size small. I'm thinking now, looking at this, I probably should have got extra small, but here it is. It is H&M Simone Rocha, and it's cute because it has like, I'm saying it right, is it Rocha or Rocha? It has cute little threads on each corner. I think that's so adorable. Gives it that little pizzazz, like the signature of the designer. And then it has these really puff sleeves, like princess vibes. These puff sleeves, like, to me, it's not villain style. Villain style is the very structured, the structured look. That is a villain. This is very princess. Although I can be both. I could be a villain sometimes. Obviously, evil twins, and then I could be a princess. Anyway, this is how it looks. It is very, very roomy. It has functional pockets. It's really nice. Got thread there. It has a belt, I guess, to cinch it up. And I think that's pretty much it. It's nice and roomy though, I'll tell you that much. Here's the inside. And I'm assuming it comes with a little button inside. But yeah, it's all buttoned everywhere. It's just nice and plain inside. Not much lining. And this is small here. And that's pretty much it. So you just try this on. Here it is, folks. This is a big puffy sleeves. I'm just pairing it up with my authentic Prada bag. I had this for like, I don't know, I think I've had it for 10 years. But here it is with the bag and my Prada shoes. It is looking so cute. And my neighbors are loud. They should pass. Anyway, this is giving me like real princess vibes. I mean, it cinches your waist really nicely. I'm actually absolutely loving this. I have like the Montclair Simone Rocha trench coat too. It's a different style. It's kind of the same color though, but it's a different style because it doesn't have these puff sleeves. It has a hood with ruffles on it. I should show you that, but it's all about this right now. And I'm loving these vibes. Princess detective vibes, right? I feel like an inspector, but like a fashionista inspector. Isn't it so cute? I'm into the blues right now. However, you can do this up with pink. So here it is with some pink and black because I needed to wear this beauty. And I'm in a Prada mood today, so I wore my Prada boots. Even though they make my feet look so long, but I think this looks really good. I'm in love with it. So my lacquer color hat. This, you guys know, the H&M Simone Rocha collab trench and Sandro dress. So this is the look. The second look. This trench coat gives a really pretty cinch look. So if you remove it, I don't know how it's gonna look. So open, it looks like this. Not too bad. What I like about Simone Rocha's trench coats is they're big and loose. I was thinking returning because I was like, it's not that cute. I didn't think so, but like now just wearing it and stuff, it is so adorable. I wonder if we cinch it open, like how would that look? I don't know, I'm just trying this out with you guys right now. I said you guys, I didn't say y'all. I don't want y'all people from the South attacking me because I'm saying y'all. I'm not from the South, I'm from California, but I like saying y'all. Trench coats open, but like cinched. So if you want it just a little bit open, you can do so. Oh my god, that's cute also. I'm loving it! I just discovered something and I like how it like, I folded it like this so that it opens a little bit. I should have took photos like this. Well, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye! I wonder if she can fit in this bag. Probably not. I have part 2 though. Part 2 has, I'm getting the pink one. It is so cute, just like this peppermint. Say hi, Peppo. You don't want to say hi? Okay, good.